Hello, this is your favorite effortless show. And I just saw this video from Pewdiepie. Imagine recording myself reacting to him as well. But the thing is, I don't react to his video. I react to the one that he's watching. So fucking stupid. Okay.
No stock, and I can't tell if it's real or if he did it for attention. Oh. Just turned off like
That's
that.
me.
Thank you.
It's so
Is that real? Is it edited? I can't tell.
the fuck is really you, man?
Super.
What the fuck? Shit, I'm still laughing at Shiba. I mean the husky asking for attention.
You're even the
Let
turtle.
me check the shit again.
Here,
Let me see the shit again.
I'm sure it's dead, and therefore my husky got his nose stuck, and I can't tell if it's real or if he did it for attention. Oh.
The fucking screen.
Just turned off like that. I'm in pain. Oh, okay. Oh, that's fine. Thank you.
Why
Is it
was it
edited?
a
I
fucking
can't tell. It's really funny.
fucking damn it?
Supra.